I'm Asha and I'm going to give you a synopsis about my story Joker and Four Queens. This is a psychosocial criminal story, and I am going to introduce you to all the participants. In this, the Joker, the main character is Rakesh. Rakesh is that way quite a successful person as an individual, and he is quite popular with his lady friends as well as colleagues. But at the same time, he is a narcissistic person. He requires reassurance all the time from people around him, and he likes people who can feed his ego in that manner. He is a married person and he has a 2-year-old son, but he has no value for his wife, who is Rashmi. Now, Rashmi is a simple lady who is his wife and is looking after his son as well as his house quite efficiently, and she, being a simple person, has not much expectations from him also. Now, this Rakesh is actually having a girlfriend whose name is Kaveri. Now, Kaveri is his colleague also, and she is actually his live in partner. Now, one day when Kaveri enters his flat, and she sees that Rakesh, who was not feeling well, who was reporting to be sick for some time, had gone for his full checkup, and he was lying just on the floor, unconscious. She was quite taken by surprise, and she immediately called the watchman of the building, and they put him in the ambulance where he lost his life. After that, we also have the third lady in the picture, which is the maid who attended to their needs in their absence, because Kaveri and Rakesh both were working people, and Rashmi, being harassed by him and not valued for all that she did for him, had decided to leave him, and she had gone to her village to her uncle, where she was very comfortable, and she was quite busy get going with her own life. So after this, the after Rashmi left the house, it was the Kaveri who was the main person in his life. But Kaveri was not used to doing any of the housework. So they had to employ a maid who was Nandubai. And she was coming in their absence and looking after the cleaning part and all the grocery part of their requirements. After that, we also have one more character, lady character in this story, and that is Moha. Moha is a young, ambitious, and pretty girl who was working as a colleague in their office, where Kaveri and Rakesh were working. Now, Moha wanted to climb the ladder of ambition. With the help of Rakesh, she tried her best to attract his attention, but Rakesh was already involved with Kaveri, and therefore Moha did not succeed. Now, when he was found thus sprawled on his flat floor, and while he was taken to the hospital, he died in the ambulance itself. Later, when he was he was put through all the forensic investigation, it was found that he was poisoned. Now, there were 4 lady suspects. One was his wife, Rashmi, who had just left a few weeks back. Then there was Kaveri, who was living with him. Then there was also this Nandubai, who came in their absence, and she was also attending to their food stuff and the groceries, etc. And then there was Moha, who was working with them, and she was a woman scorned because she was disappointed when Rakesh could not enter, did not allow her to enter into his life. So there were these four lady suspects. This story is about this narcissistic person who was so much self engrossed and he was so much full of self love that he could not see the intentions of the other people who were around him, who were really concerned about his well being and serving him for his own good, and he was taken by surprise by these people who wanted to take advantage of him. If you want to read the full story, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Like the story and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for further notification of my other videos. You are invited to comment on how you find the story, and I shall appreciate you to share this with your friends and family. To read the full story and to find out who the real murderer is of the four ladies, you can follow the following link. Just click on the link and you will get the full story with the description of each and every character and their true colors. Thank you very much.